Alright, so we're going to take a look at the 4 properties of addition as we're working with our fractions. So we've just got these 4 properties here: the commutative property, the associative property, the identity property, and the inverse property of addition. So we can use all of these just to help with our mental math sort of computation when we're working with fractions. So commutative property we know really well. That's just simply, right, 1/2 plus 2/3 is equal to 2/3 plus 1/2. So the order really doesn't matter, right? The associative property is pretty similar. It just says how we group our fractions does not affect the answer. So we could have, let's say, 2/5 plus 1/8 plus 3/5, and that would be equal to the same thing as 2/5 plus 3/5, which we know equals 1, plus 1/8. Then that makes it really easy because, well, we can just add 2/5 and 3/5, we know that's 1, and then 1 plus 1/8 is 1 1/8. So we can regroup how we're adding our fractions, and it does not affect our answer. The identity property of addition is quite simply anything plus 0 is still going to be that number that we started with. So if we have 3/8 and we add 0, we are still going to have 3/8. Then finally, our inverse property of addition, okay, as we're using our rational numbers, as we're using integers, right? -3, the opposite of that would be +3. So if we add -3 and +3, we're going to get 0. Likewise, if we add positive 2/3 with -2/3, the answer will again be 0. So there's just a quick little video on our properties of addition.